fifth grade. It's my favorite time of year. It is the time of year that we get to work on our collaborative project, where each one of you gets to do an item that I will take and I will create one big picture that will then be auctioned off at the end of the year or towards the end of the year to the parents to raise money to pay for all of the fun art that we do throughout the year. So I had an idea of something fun that we can do as a fifth grade collaborative project, and I'm going to show it right now. So that was just a picture of what I sort of have as an idea of what we're going to put together as our project. Essentially, it's going to be a big, beautiful, bright, creative, unique bouquet of flowers in a vase. So what your guys' job is going to be is, I made some examples and we're going to make more, but you guys each can grab 3 different color pieces of paper that are in squares for you, or 2, and we're going to make flowers. So here's just some examples of some flowers. You could do just concentric circles, petals. You could do stars and circles. Looks like a little tulip, little stars. So what I found the easiest way is you can just grab one of the pieces of paper. It's going to be a square, a small rectangle. We don't want them too big because we're going to have maybe 115 to 200 pieces that I'm going to glue on this bouquet. So we don't want it to take up a super big amount of space, because once they all come together, it takes up a lot of space. So anyway, I would say you can freehand it, which I'm going to do one here. So you can kind of think in your mind, what do I want my flower to look like? And do something creative, do something on your own that maybe nobody else has. Like I said, it's going to be your little piece that you'll be able to pick out. So I just did a little tulip, and then maybe I want to do little curvy across my tulip, just to add a little color. And maybe I just want to do just 2 colors on my tulip, and I would end up just gluing them on like that. And there's my flower. It's simple as that. If you don't feel comfortable just cutting like I did, like that, you can take a pencil and maybe just trace or draw lightly what you would like to cut out on your paper if it's just a little bit too hard for you to just freehand it. So I'm going to draw a little one here and I'll show you. So here's what mine's going to look like. And I'll cut it out. So just think about what do I want my base picture, my base flower to look like, and then you can just fill it in with other colors, up to 3 colors total. So here's my cutout flower. It's not perfect. That's okay. That's what's going to make it fun. And then maybe I'm going to do a little circle in the middle. And maybe another little dot or a triangle. I'm going to do a triangle because it's easy to cut the corner off. And if somebody else has a color that you like that there's none left of, I'm sure that there's scrap pieces that you guys can use and borrow each other's colors. I am going to just use this glue and glue. I'm going to hold it. And there's my other little flower here. And that's it. That's the project. I will take all of these once you guys put them back in your baggie that you were provided with the paper scraps. I'm going to collect them all and I'm going to put them all together, and you can kind of get an idea of what a pretty bouquet it's going to be. I can't wait to see all of your unique designs, and good luck, guys.